Hey guys, today you will see that how to design impossible triangle in Adobe Illustrator CC. So let's start. Welcome back to video. So today we are going to create this logo. Make it smaller and place it on side. Just zoom over artboard. Go to polygon tool and click on artboard. Set sides to 3 and radius to 200 pixels. Hit OK. Add fill to black and swap it to stroke. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Make it smaller by pressing shift key. Press shift plus alt to make copy and drag it. Now select big triangle. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Make it smaller by press shift key. Now select all the triangles. Make a copy. And place it in the center of all the triangles. Select all the shapes. Go to shape builder tool and draw a shape. Add colors in it. I am adding different colors to make shape more precise. Now go to drag section tool and select corners and make it round. Select all the objects, remove stroke, add gradient in it. By using gradient tool, adjust the colors. This is how you can apply gradient on your logo and make it more attractive. Finally, your design is successfully completed. I hope you learned something new and useful during the process. If you have any question, then don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you.